Go.
I wanted to take a minute and show you this cool offset umbrella. It's from HOMSHADE. It's 10 feet. You see the base, you can actually bolt this down to your deck, which I probably will. Really wanted to just show you how this thing folds up and stores away. It's really not that difficult. It's just like any other umbrella, but it's off to the side. Get that stowed. Unscrew this and slide it down just a little bit. And then there's a cool little deal. Once that gets down there, you pull that up. It's like a little collar, and let it fold down. And there it tucks away really nice. It even has a little strap that you can tidy it all up, store it till next time. I like it. I think you will too. Thank you for watching.